Opening the release is the M18 Fuel, the first professional cordless cable puller. It comes in several versions. This one provides 60 yards of pulling. That's the approximate width of a soccer field. Both pulling and rewinding are in automatic mode, which reduces the load on the master, and the drums can be changed without tools. The weight of the device is about 8 pounds. The multi-position handle allows you to grab it more comfortably. And of course, the tool is compatible with the batteries of the M18 system. At the moment, the company uses it in more than 255 solutions, so it's easy to find a spare or backup battery. The price is in the neighborhood of $1,000. When you have such a cool collection of tools, you have to wonder how to navigate through it. Apparently, the Milwaukee team had the same thought, and the result is Bluetooth tags like these. Now you can see where the tool is right from your smartphone, and if you still can't find it, the tag will beep. Radius of action up to 295 feet. Tags are IP68 protected and can withstand temperatures from -4 to plus 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They're also friends with wanking. Storekeepers and accountants will clearly enjoy the new possibilities of warehouse accounting and reporting. The 1 meter will last 3 years and cost $70. Our body does not like construction dust. Cement can cause silicosis and metallic coniosis. Even the names sound creepy, and the consequences are even less pleasant, so dust collection and removal systems are constant companions of craftsmen who value their health. There are several solutions on the screens at once. The dust extraction system is the only one in the class at the time of presentation. It is compatible with drills and impact drills of all major brands. So relevant in working with stone, brick, concrete, and other materials. The system allows you to drill to a depth of up to 7.80 inches and a diameter of up to 1.20 inches, and it turns on and off automatically. Price $220. The dust extraction nozzle is ideal for drills with drill bits up to 8.20 inches. It's compact, lightweight, and great for sealing work. Find one on the shelves realistically for $25. It's not only dark in the work area, but it's cold, and they haven't brought the miracle jackets to the stores yet. It's time for a classic in the form of a propane heater, and because it's a Milwaukee, the heat output is best in class. Up to 70,000 British thermal units is so much that the model does not recommend using at home, in the car, and closer than 2 meters from a propane cylinder. It comes with a 9.8-foot hose that retracts into a built-in compartment. It is convenient to deal with the settings, even with work gloves. From the battery, M18 promises a full day of work. The price is also hot, $230. Another friend of builders and Milwaukee's success is the world's first cordless hydraulic pipe expansion tool. The craftsman in the video notes the successful design. Your joints will thank you and your work will go faster. The tool is suitable for pipes up to 3 inches in diameter, thanks to an abundance of expansion heads. And the One Key system not only tells you when it's time for service, but also uploads usage data to the cloud. Fast and even expansion with 76 mm stroke amplitude. One of Milwaukee's specialties is the ability to listen to customers and understand what they need. That's why the company's products include not only specialized construction tools, but also this pump, which will be quite useful for cottage owners and utility companies alike. Due to the filtration system, it will help even in dirty water of storm sewers and trenches. With one battery, M12 pumps about 277 gallons. The working speed is up to 9 gallons per minute. The pump can be lifted up to 14 feet and can be connected to a garden hose. Convenient if you need urgent pumping. However, even builders equipped with cool tools can be unpleasantly surprised by the weather. Not so long ago, the temperature record was updated in the same USA. Minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit was recorded in Chicago. It was colder there only once, in 1985. So a heated jacket is definitely not an unnecessary element in the closet of builders, fishermen, hunters, and couriers. After all, one battery heats for 8 hours. The heat is distributed, including in pockets, the very thing, to warm your hands. And the function fast heating will allow you to enjoy the warmth 3 times faster. And if you get dirty, no big deal. The jacket is ready for machine washing and drying. Milwaukee's cutting performance is also excellent. It is worth remembering at least the Sozol saw, which was a revolutionary novelty for 1951. And these metal scissors are worth a closer look. One 12-position head with a stroke of 360 degrees is worth a look. Both versions are compatible with red lithium-ion batteries. Among other pluses, they give a 20% increase in power, and the weight is 4.80 pounds respectively. Do you think it's not bad considering the starting price of $490? A curious fact from British scientists: 90% of surgeons listen to music during surgery. And in Canada, they assess the impact of music on IT specialists, finding that without background music, they work slower. There is a sense that similar studies have been read even in Milwaukee. How else to explain a radio? Like this. In terms of options, all the classics like FM, AM bands, 10-station memory, and Bluetooth. Music control is available from up to 30 meters away. The radio can be powered by an M18 battery. There is a USB port for recharging gadgets, and a 40-watt amplifier is responsible for quality sound. The final cord is the price of $140. In the US alone, about 1,400,000 residential buildings started construction this year, so the tools for working with concrete will definitely reach their customers. Among other tools, the company offers a vibrator for concrete. Its power is enough for 2.5-inch heads and 11,000 vibrations per minute. That means compaction will go quickly, even with a large volume of work, and the wireless remote control will please with a range of 9 meters. Vibro rake. For the formation of an even concrete surface, builders are offered a Provillo up to 16 feet wide and up to 9,000 vibrations per minute. With the 11-foot wide wire, the battery is enough for 2 hours, and if the tool is suddenly stolen, the thieves will be unpleasantly surprised by tracking and remote locking. Convenient when working with long shafts. For particularly hot projects, a fan like this will come in handy. It drives air at a speed of up to 14 miles per hour and pumps 388 cubic feet of air per minute. It can be rotated 360 degrees and mounted on a beam thanks to a 2-inch spring-loaded clamp. 3 speeds built-in magnets and compatibility with ME12 batteries, giving 16 hours of work. Not a bad set of features for $105. No less urgent task is sewer maintenance. The scheme is simple. A cable with a probe is inserted into the pipe, which is visible on the locator. All this reminds of virtual entertainment, as if in RPG quests. It is enough to look at the screen and move along the arrow. However, the benefit is very real. The master understands which pipes go where and can make an accurate work plan. There are 2 antennas for better accuracy. And in case of malfunctions, there is a calibration test. The next development is sure to appeal to electricians, heating engineers, and other craftsmen who regularly visit dark places in every sense. It is a masked spotlight that can be set up in 5 seconds and gives up to 1,400 lumens without generating heat. The lamp is diode. There is a lot of room for customization. 3 height options, 35, 50, and 68 inches. Plus horizontal and vertical rotation at 270 and 210 degrees respectively. Power supply won't be a problem either. The M12 battery will do, which will last for 10 hours in the 700 lumens mode. The design is ready to the blows of fate and even falls from a height of about 9 feet. In 2013, 128 countries signed a very interesting treaty called the Minamata Convention. Among other things, it states that the production of imports and exports of fluorescent lamps are banned from 2020. However, these lamps are still found in office centers, hospitals, and other places, which means that their maintenance is a challenge. Milwaukee has found a solution here too. This tester is suitable for T5, T8, and T12 lamps and allows you to take a holistic approach to the inspection, examining ballasts and contacts at the same time. The battery will last for 35 hours, and the tester weighs a modest 400 grams, easy to hold with one hand. Now you can find faults twice as fast. Construction is machinery, and machinery needs maintenance. Milwaukee offers this lubrication syringe to add to the mechanic's arsenal, which is suitable for crosses, hubs, joints, and other components. The 12-volt motor, paired with a red lithium-ion battery, has no problem pushing up to 562 pounds per square inch, compared to 85 pounds per square inch for trucks. One charge is enough for 7 400 milliliters grease cartridges, and the syringe weighs only 7 pounds, combined with a length of 14 inches. It is convenient to work even under the bottom of the equipment.